We knew it was only a matter of time before the zombie apocalypse got here. Okay, so it hasn't spread everywhere, but it's definitely on our channel. And that's probably for the best. So, what happens when you're going to school with a zombie? Is it scary? Is it funny? Let's find out. Being different isn't always easy. Even when you've got that one classmate that actually gets you. But everyone else might not feel that way. A sense of humor and a good support system are key. Meet Zoe, our zombie girl. She loves school, her friends, and playing her little zombie pranks. Grab a piece of chalk and something sharp like a utility knife or a nail file. Channel your inner sculptor and try to carve a bone from the chalk. Dust yourself off and get ready to have a ball. Here's our first victim, our school pal Natalie. Is that a bone? Where did it come from? I could have broken a tooth. This is exactly why I prefer soft foods, like your banana. Kira is new here, so she's not yet used to having a girl like Zoe around. Instead of focusing on school, letting go a bit, and at least trying to make new friends, Kira spends way too much time and energy doing things even the teachers don't understand. Maybe instead of constantly looking at others, she should take a good hard look at herself. Recess! Time to get some rest. Or prime time for another prank. 1, 2, hey girls! Zombie Zoe has a unique perception of the world. Her sense of humor is also a little different from everyone else's. So what if all her jokes have to do with being a zombie? What are friends for, if not to accept us as we are? Mike just wants to satisfy his gum craving. What could possibly go wrong? Watch out, Mike. It's always a good idea to pay close attention to anything that might be paying it to you. Jess and Natalie are getting ready to head home. High school lockers are always stuffed, but with zombies? That's a bit of an overkill. Well, maybe Zoe just wanted to be alone. Mike wanted to see if there was anything he could do to surprise a zombie classmate. Maybe a trick? Zoe, look! Now you see it? Now you don't? Gone. And it's back. Looks like Zoe enjoyed that, but it also looks like she's plotting something. Wait, maybe she's just hungry. No, wait, it's just a trick. Watch. Tut. Dot. The finger's still here, and so's my hand. Bad trick. Bad Mike. Kira here just can't get used to Zoe being around. The way that zombie girl carries herself is driving her bananas. Doesn't look like she's gonna be making friends or exchanging gifts with Zoe anytime soon. Well, that's her loss. Zoe's gifts are completely harmless. This prank isn't for the faint of heart. Bless you. Anyone friends with a zombie knows that green mucousy slime comes with the territory. Grab a sheet of paper. Trace the stapler. Draw some teeth along the edges. Now cut them out and glue them to the stapler. Paint your new chomper red. And time to surprise our next victim. Where did my stapler go? Mike, can I borrow yours? Sure, Jessica. Anything for you. Jeez, whose jaw is that? It's a stapler, Jess. Don't worry, he doesn't bite. He just couldn't help smiling at such a pretty girl. This prank requires some athlete's tape, nails, and a red marker. Clip those nails in half, wrap your finger tight. Add glue to both sides, and let it dry out for a bit. Make some blood stains, and stick in the nail halves. Careful, don't actually hurt yourself. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Zoe's definitely falling for this. Ow, my finger! Okay, so Zoe doesn't scare that easily. Plus, she's always got something for you. So don't let your guard down. This here is a surefire way to freak out your friends. Drop in some red paint into your water bowl and dip in the cauliflower. What have we got? Delicious brains. Hey guys, want to share my lunch? I made it myself. Family recipe. I don't know about anyone else, but your best friend will love this. Hey Zoe, I've got something for you. Check out my magical finger. Whoa, that's awesome! How are you doing that? Magic. I want to try. Wait, don't actually eat yourself. It's just a trick. Look. Bend your finger, use your thumb, and hide it behind the index finger. Did you get that? That was a good one. This backpack is killing me. I have to throw it in my locker. Aw, Zoe, you didn't like that, did ya? Alright, we'll think of something else. Oh, we'll be seeing who pranks whom first. And now for some bloopers. This has been Zombie at School. Hit that subscribe button and you'll always have a couple tricks up your sleeve. See you next time!